Hey everybody, welcome back to Y Guys Farm. Today we're going to be planting some zucchini, and you can see our garden here is really making some good progress. We have tomato, we have zucchini, we have peppers of various kinds. We even have some herbs that we planted, and so far everything's looking great. Last night you could see the blankets over here. We had to cover up our plants with blankets because it got so cold last night, and tonight it should be okay, but tomorrow night it's supposed to drop down again and possibly even get a frost or even a snow, so we'll have to cover them up for tomorrow night. So let's go ahead and get started and get these plants in the ground and move on to our next project. Okay, well that's all for right now. We're waiting for some of our plants to come back. They're in the car and one of my kids took them away accidentally. So when they get back, we're gonna plant the rest of them. See you in a bit.